Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem, Excel sheet column number, given a string column title that represent the column title as appears in an Excel sheet, return its corresponding column number. For example, A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, Z equals 26, AA equals 27, EB equals 28, so on and so forth. And basically, if we have like column A, I guess it would be in the first one. AB, I guess it would be on 28, and so on and so forth. So, although it looks quite easy, but it's not that easy at all, because if we put, let's say that we are putting for example, we're putting let's take a string, for example, like A, Z, Z, C. How we can know that? How can we know which column this one is there, basically? And I guess it looks quite hard, but it's a pretty straightforward. But once we understand this table, so basically we have this table that we already said that first we have a table that from one column it's like A, B, C, and the other one from A, B, A, C until AZ, and B, A, B, 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 C, and so on and so forth. So basically, let's just understand this column. The first one, the first column, the green one, it's from one chart, it's 26. The other one is from two charts, so it's 26 multiplied by 26. Okay, and the third one, it is it will be this number 60 multiplied by 26, and this one because it's one chart. And this one, I guess it will take this title, it will be 17576 multiplied by 26. And the thing that we should see here is that basically each character category, it's a part of its previous one. So it's like 26 multiplied by 26, and the other one it's previous one multiplied by 26, and the four characters is basically the third characters multiplied by 26, and basically it just and basically that's it. It is basically. But how we can get, like, right now you understand how the table works basically. So how we can get this the position of the string. So we got the position in this string by break it basically into four different characters. So basically we start from four things. First, A, we have four characters, so A, it will be in the it's a four character, it's in the full niche. So to get it, actually it will be A at plus Z, and we have other two characters plus Z plus C. What that means basically, so basically it will be, I guess, like it basically here actually we are representing is basically we go from block to the smaller blocks basically, and basically for each block we have multiplied by 26. So yeah, basically that's it. Basically, like, we have if we want to scan this one, it will be C. To get the value of C, we start from the innermost, the smallest one, C, and this will be the C position is 3 multiplied by I guess C, it's multiplied by 3 by 1, I guess it will equals 3. So as the results, it will be let's say that we have r, it will equal 0 plus 3 because it starts with 0. And I guess z, the second, this one, it will equals I guess it will equals 26 multiplied by 26 because it's the second one, and yeah, basically because actually it's in the last position, so it will be 600, sorry, 676, and the second z, it will equals 26 multiplied by let's go back here, it will be multiplied by 676. Yeah, it's because it's the third column, and basically it will equals it will equals 17576, and I guess the last one, it will be the a. Let's just do the a here. We have the a. The a, it's have a third, it's in the third block, so it will be we have, let's just see again, it's multiplied by this number. It will be, the a is first, so it's 1 multiplied by 17576. We take this number, each one, if you see each one, we take this number from here, so it will equals yo, it looks a big, very big number. It's just 3 5 8 3 1, and basically we add all of these numbers to r, so basically plus 676 plus 17576 plus 35831, 35381, and we will have our own number, which will be wait a minute, no, it's 1717576. This is not right. It's because I'm multiplying by 1. This number, it will be the results. I made a problem in my calculations. 3 5 8 3 1. So basically, how we can do that? How we can do this calculation? Because this is how actually we will build this calculation. So basically, one of the things that we can do, we will first of all, we create a table, and we store all of we will store this in it. And basically what we can go to do, we will get the character from right, and after that we get its position, and when we get this position, we basically if you see this one, we have 26, okay, and we have here 62 and 676, and 676, basically it's a 26 multiplied by 26. So basically, if you are in the third or the second, basically we have 26 and we multiply by your index. Like if we have two, for example, give it like 26 and we put the power of your index, so it will be 2 or 3 or 4, whatever, it based on your index. So let's just go to here. So first of all, let's just start with let result equals 0 equals 0, and we return this result. Okay, return, and we say let's just start. I will say the const the alphabet map, which equals a new map. And after that, why the colors is not good? Give me a minute. Yeah, I guess this is much better. It's equals a new map. I will say that I will make a for loop. First, I wanna store the map, so it will be for let I equals 0. I less than 26, because we only have 26 numbers. Just I plus plus, and let's just put the, I will say const c for character will equals I plus 65. Basically this is the dimensional, but like each character has a unique number. For example, A is 65, B is 66, things like that. So basically we give each character its number basically. So I guess the alpha map will dot set will put the actual string dot for character code of C, and we will have, it will be I plus 1. Basically, if we want to get the character, so basically if I equals 0 and the code it will be equal 65, this one will be A. Basically that's what we're doing. And yeah, that's it basically in the saving the table. And let's just start to add, to basically find the actual character. So let I equals 0. Okay, I less than is dot length minus less than is the length minus 1, or less than is the length. No, I guess to be less than is the length, because we will get all of the characters basically. And I will say I plus plus, right? I okay, I will say const, I will get the current character. I will just current const the current, and as we said, we start from the right, so it will be is dot character at, and it will be n minus 1 minus I, because we will start from the far right. You know what, I can just say is minus 1, like there is no need to make it minus 1. And I will say result plus, or will add to result is that, first of all, I will take the alpha dot get the character, and the character number basically, because we add the character number. And what we do right now, we add we have the character number, and actually we multiply it by the 26, and it's a block. So if we looked at this one again here, for this one we had 26, the position of Z is 26, okay, and it's a block, it has the first block, so it will be 26 with in the power of 1. So you get this one, you get this, why we did it like that. So basically it will be math.pool 26 in power of I, and I guess that's it. It's not a function. Why? Ah, it's a form, not from. Sorry. Double M. Ah, why wrong answer? Is the length? I guess maybe because. But I guess this will not work also. Wait a minute. What in actually? What in I was doing? -1. Let's just see why it's not working. Fuck. Why? Okay, let's just give it a quick look. We have first of all, I will be less than length because we want to get all the numbers, and because we want to get the least most one, so it will be I minus less minus 1, and we have the current, and we have this one, and we multiply it. Sorry, it just not good. This one not good. Oh, sorry. Because I'm start from the far right. Look. Okay, so there is something weird with Leetcode. Like right now, I'm beating 81. The same solution was 34. It's just sometimes Leetcode has these things that I don't understand. But however, we find the solution. And the thing that if someone doesn't understand why we did it like that, basically because when we get the actual strings we're getting from the far right, and basically we don't want to make it -1, because if -1 I will not basically because when we stored the actual titles in, we add 1 because we can have zeros for this one, because in the multiplies it will screw a lot of things up. So what we can do is we add 1. So basically we don't go with zeros anymore. So we just is dot length. That's it. And so that's it for this solution. I hope you like my solution. And if you like my solution, just subscribe to the channel. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. And that's it for today's video. See you soon.